guys, so tonight is a GEGE night apparently, and I will attempt to pick another GEGE cylinder for you. So that's the GEGE, that's the keyway, really nasty looking one to be quite honest, and that would be the key. Not quite bad, I have to admit it's not bad. I'm not sure, probably this is the brand of the AP2000 Sicherheit. So some AP Security 2000, probably the company that made this blank, or maybe that's the cylinder model as well. So it's a 5-pinner. I will clamp it up and I'll be right back. So all clamped up, working fine. And let's see if I can pick this GEGE AP2000. It's a cylinder that was lended to me by NoTrickPony some time ago. So let's have a look if I can first put tension range proper. Okay, that should be fine. And let's see. So that's pin number 1, gave a click. Second click. I think there was another one. Yeah, that was the third click out of number 1. So there are serrated pins in this lock. So pin number 2, a click. That was number 2 again. And again, and that was a definite set. Let's see number 1. Okay, that was number 1, and there was a some rotation on the core. I think you saw it, hopefully. That's number 4. That gave a click. Okay. Number 2 maybe. And let's see, number 1. A click. Do you need another one? Yes, okay, that was number 1 once again. And open. That managed to push number 5 and it opened. Okay, so I can afford to try and lock it while I'm removing the C-clip, because my favorite thing to do is managing C-clips. So let's see if I lock it. At least I have the key. So where are my tools? That would be here. Let's see if I can manage to push it. Okay, this actually works. Unbelievable, although the C-clip flew away somewhere. So let me remove this device and I will take my spinning tray out. Again, a spinning tray from Adrian Weber. I really like it and I do love to use it. And my special homemade, relatively homemade tension wrench, not tension wrench, but follower. So this should do the trick, and let's move it a little bit to the side. I think that should be better. And everything goes, well, good thing nothing goes kablamo. So this is here, 5 pins, all of them are inside, and let's dump them. 1, okay, the anti-drill rods are also inside. Let's take them also out. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So all of them are standard, nothing special. Now the good parts should be what's on the bottom. I do believe that there are at least, in my opinion, 3 serrated pins. So starting with 1, it's a serrated. Typical GEGE serrations, which I personally find quite hard. So number 2 is a standard. More springs coming out. Number 3, I assume it's a serrated. Oh no, okay, number 3 is a spool. Okay. Didn't see that coming. Out you go, spring. And number 4 sounded like a standard, so I would give it standard. No, it's one serration. Cool, that's really a cute pin. And it's, well, okay, let's take the last one. Oops. It flew. And it's again a spool. So 2 spools, 2 serrated pins, and 1 standard for the key pins. So let me show you what's here. Maybe it would be nicer if I arrange it proper. Sorry about that. So let's see. Let me zoom out. Actually, it should be already zoomed out. Let's make it like that. Okay, I think you can have a clear picture of it. So, as I said, on number 1 you have the serrated, these typically GEGE serrated pins, which I find really hard. 1 spool, this is the standard, another GEGE serrated pin, and another spool. These are the drivers, sorry, the key pins here, and these 2 are the anti-drill bits. The core, I don't see anything special about the core. Was not changed as far as I can see it. So that's the GEGE that I picked. Then I will give it a go with another of the GEGEs that I have that I also find quite hard. But guys, thanks for watching, keep it legal, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!